Hi everybody, so today we are going to be making a hair scrunchie. So this is my hair rubber. It's quite cotton, and then it's very elastic, like elastic. So I'm going to just show you guys the beginning part of it as I've gone far with my original project. So I'm going to be using a short hook, and as you can see, this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this here. All right, I'm going to put this here, get this, carry it over, then I'm going to yarn over. Can you see that? I'm going to repeat the same thing. Okay, so yarn over. I won't be dragging this rope with me because it kind of hinders the elastic from doing its job. So this is what I'm going to do until I get to the end. All right. I'm going to be doing until I get to the end. All right. So as I'm doing this, I'm gently pushing this like this so that it doesn't, it doesn't expose the band. I just want it to be seat-proof. So I'm going to do this until I get back to the end. So that is that. Now this is my project. I've already gone around. I've done this is the first one. This one I did 2 double crochet into one space. So for this other one, I don't know if you guys can understand though. For this other one, I'm making 3 double crochet into one hole. So here we already have 1 double crochet. I'm going to yarn over. The reason for this is because in the end it's going to look scrunched. That's the reason for the name Scrunchie. It's going to look really nice. I don't know if this is a bit fast. So I'm going to continue with this same method until I get to the last place. Till I get to the last place. Okay guys, so this is the completed scrunchie. You can see it's really scrunched up. I'll chain 3. 2, 3, and then slip stitch into this one. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next chain. when at the end of this, it's going to give you something like an icicle type of. Let me show you guys briefly. Something like this. Can you see? There are different ways I make it. If it's either I chain up, then slip stitch on the third, or just about anyhow, just so that I can get this fluffy contrast. You understand? It's in different colors. You can make it anyhow you see fit. Okay, this is quite different. This other stitch, it's quite different if you look at it. It's not the same as this other one. On a very good day, I'll be dropping a tutorial on how to achieve this. But is there any difference? Can you tell? Then for this one, it's almost the same as this pattern, but instead of using this, I just used slip stitch. Just slip stitch into each of the chain space, and then that's guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, refer. See you guys on my next video.